Well, good evening, everybody. This is my last review of the night. I'll have to review again on Friday because I have a lot of things and I'm not going to keep you all up. But I have a wonderful review. The last one. And this is kind of heavy. This is my box. And it has nothing on it, but it's the Asani Himalayan salt lamp. And it's kind of heavy, so I don't want to drop it. So I'm taking it out the box. This is the manual, the Asani salt crystal lamp. It's Himalayan salt, and it's pink salt. And I use Himalayan pink salt to cook with. So let's take this out very carefully. What's this? This is things. Oh, one of the lights, one of the light bulbs. Again, this is heavy. I have one in my bedroom, and then I have one in my office that I don't turn that on as much as I do the one in my bedroom. I turn that one on every night. But this is the salt lamp. I'm going to put it down. This is heavy. I mean heavy. I'm going to take it. This off. Okay, there. You can see it. I'm going to put it down a little bit so you can see it. It's really quite pretty. Now, I don't know how getting all this paper off. So let's see. Unplug it so I can plug it in. I like to try to plug it in if I can, just so you all can see how it works. Plug it in. It's plugged in. There it goes. It's on. That's heavy now. It's salt. I like to taste the salt to see if it's really salt. And it's salt. So you touch it here, touch it there, touch it. Again, let me see so that you know that I'm touching it. That is really nice. And all you do is touch it. I'm going to play with this. Okay, so this is the Himalayan's pink salt lamp. And if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. I'm going to bed with this. Well, I'm going to put it in my room. Good night. I love you. I'm tired.